every time we upload a client's Excel into Claude, ChatGPT, or any AI tool to build a dashboard, that client's data is sitting on someone else's server. For professionals handling confidential financial data, that's a real problem. So today I'm going to show you how I got Claude to build me a tool that creates a full executive dashboard automatically without ever uploading your data to an AI model. You open a raw Excel or CSV file, and in seconds, you get a complete analytics dashboard, no formulas, no pivot tables, no manual charting. And once this tool exists, your data never touches Claude, ChatGPT, or any AI again. Here's the transaction sheet, thousands of rows, several years of data. Getting from a raw sheet like this to something you can actually present, KPIs, trends, categories, and regional breakdowns, normally it's real time. And every time the data refreshes, you are doing it all over again. Let's go to Claude and give it the prompt. I have a data sheet with the transaction dates, shipment modes, customers, revenues, regions, states, product category, profits, profit margin for last several years. Can you create an HTML dashboard framework so that when I upload the CSV file into it, it automatically converts into JSON and creates the dashboard? So this is the prompt. Let me run the prompt. Here's the result. It's a single HTML file, no installation, no server, just open it in any browser. So once we open it, it is asking for the file. So it can be an Excel file or a CSV file, and it can take up to 50,000 rows. Let me upload an Excel file. So it's reading it. Before it builds anything, it shows a column mapping screen. It's already guessed which column is my transaction date, the revenue, profit region, the state, segment, customer name. And if there's a mismatch, we can click here on the drop down like it is over here and select profit margin. Once we see that the mapping is correct, we will click on build dashboard, and here it is. At the top, we have the total revenues, profits, profit margin, transactions, average transaction value, and revenue growth rate. Below it, we have a drop down where we can select the years, the regions, the categories, and based on the selection, we'll get the revenue and profit over time. Below it, we have the revenues by region, revenue and profit by category, shipment mode mix, the top 10 customers by revenue, and state-wise performance as well. The real value here isn't this one dashboard. It's that I described the shape of my problem to Claude once and got a reusable tool out of it. So whenever the data is updated, we can just upload it and create this dashboard. I'll drop the exact prompt and the dashboard file itself in the description below. Completely free to use. If you try it on your own data, let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you want more tutorials on using Claude for finance and valuation work, subscribe for new videos every week. Thank you.